We'll guide you through how to convert PNG to SVG in Photopea. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, locate the Google Chrome shortcut on your computer. Right-click the shortcut, then click Open to launch the browser. After Chrome opens, click the address bar, type Photopea, and press Enter on your keyboard. When the search results appear, select the top option, 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘, to access the official website. Once the homepage loads, you will see the main Photopea screen. Before continuing, make sure your PNG file is prepared and saved in an easy-to-find location because you will need it during the conversion process. Next, click Open from computer to access your file. Browse to the location where you saved the PNG image, locate the prepared photo, click on it, and open it in Photopea. Wait for the editing page to load completely. After the workspace appears, press Ctrl+0 on your keyboard to automatically fit the canvas to your screen, making it easier to view your project. Now you are ready to convert the PNG file into an SVG file. Start by going to the File menu at the top of the interface. From the available options, choose Export As, then select SVG from the Export menu. Click the SVG option to begin the conversion process. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to configure the export settings. Enter a name for the file you want to convert so it is easy to identify later. If your project contains hidden layers, check the Add Hidden Layer option to include them in the exported file. You can also enable any additional features you want to apply to the SVG before saving. Finally, click the Save button to complete the conversion. Your PNG file is now exported as an SVG, and you have successfully learned how to convert PNG to SVG in Photopea with confidence today.